me give you guys a room tour. We are at Fortune Akron Regina. So as soon as you enter, there's a cupboard which lights up as soon as you open it. There are drawers here. Then let's go ahead. On this side there is the washroom. There's a separate cubicle for showering. There's a shower, and there's 2-in-1 shampoo and shower gel, and that's the toilet, and that's me. There's a hair dryer here, hand wash, and they have glasses, tissues, and the usual hotel stuff. Then we're gonna go ahead, and that's the bedroom, and this is so they've given a kettle to heat water, and they've given milk powder and sugar and coffee, and there's water. There are 2 cups. Then there is a mini fridge here. It's filled with cold drink, water, and I think that's beer and chocolate. Then we have the TV here. There's another mini bar type snacks. This is like a sitting area. There's a workstation here that you can sit and work on, and there's a balcony, and that's the view from my room. I can see outside. It's raining right now, and there's a place for 2 people to sit here too and enjoy the weather. Okay guys, so it's day 2 here and I'm heading towards South Goa again today. Also, aaj raat ko my 2 best friends are coming over. I'm going to go pick them up from the airport. I'm super excited to do the rest of this trip with them. So yeah, let's go. So we have come to this beach called Utoda Beach here in South Goa. This beach is like very close to Planet Hollywood. तो Planet Hollywood भी डालेंगे तो आपको यही लोकेशन मिलेगा. तो उसके बगल से एक पाथ जाता है अंदर. That's where you will find the Utoda Beach. So this is Utoda Beach behind me. As you can see, बिल्कुल भी लोग नहीं हैं यहाँ पे. बहुत ही कम लोग हैं. Off season में आने का यही फ़ायदा है that you find the beaches really secluded and really clean. Even though this is a well-known beach here, but it's still pretty secluded right now because it's the off season. बांध so I am currently in the Fonda area of Goa, and I have come to this place called the Shanta Durga Temple, which is a very popular and well-known temple here in Goa. So we were not allowed to shoot inside, but the temple is really beautiful from the inside. अंदर मंदिर में मूर्ति है, बहुत सुंदर है, पूरा स्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा बना हुआ है. Also there's a dress code here. You cannot wear too short clothes like short shorts or very short dresses. You can't wear. मेरी dress knee तक आती थी, that's why I was allowed. Also my brothers were wearing shorts, but they were below the knees, so we were allowed inside. We were all very hungry and we could not see any restaurants on the way that we were going. So we saw this restaurant on the way called Green Hill Restaurant, and they have seafood here too, but they also have North Indian and Chinese options. So this is a place you can have food if you're in the Mangeshi temple and Shanta Durga temple area and you're hungry. The rain. The weather here is so unpredictable. मतलब दो मिनट में चेंज होता है, एकदम से बारिश आएगी, एकदम से धूप निकल आएगी. So right now it's very sunny. So yeah, that's how it is. Don't worry, अगर आपको मानसून सीजन में आना है यहाँ पे, तो the weather is not constantly rain or constantly sunny. If it is raining, it's going to be sunny in just a bit. I mean, at least that's the case here in June right now. Come here to see the Mangeshi temple here in South Goa. This is also a very known temple here, and I've seen it in a lot of videos also. So I'm heading there right now. विद द मंगेशी टेम्पल. अंदर फिर से बहुत सुंदर था. एज़ यूजुअल वीडियोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं थी, लेकिन टेम्पल बहुत सुंदर है अंदर से, एंड बाहर से भी बहुत सुंदर है. ये टेम्पल एक्चुअली काफ़ी पुराना है. दिस वॉज बिल्ट बिफोर द पोर्चुगीज़ इन्वेडेड इंडिया, बट इट वॉज इन मडगांव एरिया एंड देन इट वॉज शिफ्टेड टू दिस प्लेस, एंड वी आर इन फोंडा राइट नाउ. तो ये फोंडा शिफ्ट किया गया था, एंड तब से ये 2 बार रेनोवेट भी हो चुका है, एंड इन्होंने अपग्रेड किया इसको, बट इट लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल. एंड इसमें भी ये टिपिकल स्ट्रक्चर है. ये जो टावर जैसा है. This I have seen in a lot of Goa temples, but I don't know what it is, what this tower is about. So if you know, do let me know in the comments below. So yeah, the temple is beautiful. Definitely come here. So we've come back to the hotel now because I wanted to have some chill time with my family. So we're heading to the pool for some fun relaxation, and then I'll be going to the airport to pick up my best friends. Airport to pick up my friends, so I'll see you there. Hi. Namaste. Hi.
Hello, auntie.
Hello, beta. इधर आओ. तो मैं ऑफिशियली अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहती हूँ. Oh God, yes.
Okay. Officially, हाँ आगे.
Officially. ऐसा ही होता है.
कौन खुला
गाड़ी आने से पहले
ओके.
तो मैं ऑफिशियली अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को इस चैनल पे इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहती हूँ. दिस इज आंचल गुप्ता एंड ये दूसरी.
हाय, मुझे तो आप लोग देखते ही रहते हैं, यू नो.
हाँ, इसको इंट्रोडक्शन देने की जरूरत नहीं है. नहीं ये रहने वाली है बस. इसका चैनल है, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. हाँ बस.
One girl, her journey. Please subscribe.
I will cut this out.